This is a chest workout. We'll go through 4 dumbbell exercises down here on the mat. I'm Pilates instructor Tucker. Welcome to McCrazy Fit. I have my adjustable dumbbells at 10 pounds for this workout. Those are in the description. We'll be going through this sequence one time. For a more challenging workout, we can go through it again or add individual sets to each exercise. Okay, let's begin sitting up straight, legs slightly bent if the abs are strong enough. A full long sit is all right as well. Arms out front, keep that core nice and tight. Inhale to squeeze the shoulder blades together. Exhale back to start. Good, let's go 4 more. Exhale, squeeze the shoulder blades. Inhale again, great job. So I want to feel a little flex in the side muscles here, the serratus as well as the lats. Squeezing the shoulder blades, also keeping the shoulders down, keeping them from riding up. Let's go 1 more. And back to start, good. And now we're gonna bring the arms out wide. Inhale, open up the arms, open up the palms for a stretch all through the forearm, the chest, the bicep, and back. 2 more. Inhale, sitting up straight. Open the chest. Exhale back, last one. Excellent, and let's get started. I'm gonna grab my weights. Sitting up straight, palms up, weights resting on the ground. Inhale, exhale, bring them up to head height and together. Inhale back down, good. We're going for 10. Exhale up, squeeze the chest. Slowly inhale down, good. Again, exhale, down slow. Up. Good, slowly down, squeeze the upper chest. Exhale up. Good, 5 more. Squeeze the upper chest. Down slow. Excellent, 3 more. Good, last one. And slowly down, great. Let's get into a lying position. Next exercise will be pullovers. So I want to be laying down, feet fully contacting the mat, belly nice and tight. The weight will start up above the head. Inhale to bring it up over the head, and exhale to pull back, good. So elbows will be slightly bent, mostly straight. One thing to be careful of is the arms come up. Don't overextend the lower back. So keep the core tight as the arms go overhead. No movement here in the lower spine. That extra weight overhead will make you want to arch the lower back. Let's avoid that, all right? So here we go. Keep those shoulders contacting the mat. Feet evenly on the floor. Inhale, arms go overhead. Exhale back. 10 reps, here we go. Arms come up, feel a nice stretch in the chest. And exhale back, squeeze, good. 4. Let's keep going real slow down. Don't arch that lower back, keep the core tight. Exhale up, 5 more. Good, keep going. 3 more, real slow, inhale, exhale, good. Excellent, last one. And slowly bring the weight down and set it down. Great. Next exercise will be a chest press. We'll be holding the weight, palms face in, We're going to be squeezing the weight together. So take those dumbbells, press them together, lower them all the way to the chest, and press up. Still keeping that squeeze of the dumbbells together. So not only is this a chest press, but we'll get the isometric workout of squeezing those dumbbells, really squeeze the inner chest area. All right. So here we go. Dumbbells together. Gently keep those nice and squeezed. Inhale down. Exhale up. Good. Inhale down. Exhale up. 10 more. Real slow. Slight tap on the chest and press up. Great. And we're really feeling the inner chest muscles squeezing and contracting. Get a nice squeeze at the top of the motion. 5 more. We're still keeping the core tight. Lower back's not moving. Spine's not moving. Shoulders are staying back. Don't let them creep up to the ears. 3 more. Slowly down. Up. Good. Last one. And slowly down onto the ground. We'll rest for a moment before moving into our next exercise. And that'll be a chest fly. So we're just going to put a nice little bend in the elbows, but keep them straight. And I don't want any movement in the elbow as we bring them down to touch the floor and flex up. So the elbow isn't bending. Start at one locked position and bring it down by opening the chest. All right. So we're going for 12 on this exercise, and this will be the last movement of the sequence. So again, we can run through this all the way again, or just add additional sets onto each exercise individually. Here we go. So dumbbells start up. Give me a slight bend in the elbow. Now get that elbow locked in place without bending it anymore. Open up the chest. Come as far down to the floor as possible without resting. And squeeze up. Good. Elbows are still locked in place, not moving. Inhale down. Exhale up. Squeeze the chest at the top. Great. 9 more. Inhale down. Exhale up. Great. Keep those feet fully contacting the floor. Belly's tight. 5 more. Keep going. Here we go. You're doing great. 3 more. Open that chest wide and squeeze. Inhale, open the chest wide. Exhale, squeeze. Last one. There you go. Slowly lower the weight. Set it on the floor. Grab the back of the thighs and let's kick back up into a starting position. So legs can be slightly bent or completely straight. And let's just finish off with a nice chest stretch. So put the hands behind you, fingers pointed back. Inhale to open up the chest, squeeze the shoulder blades. Exhale back to start. 2 more. Inhale, open the chest, squeeze the shoulder blades, but keep the shoulders down. Don't let them come up. Exhale back. Good. Last one. Inhale. Lift the chest up to the ceiling. And exhale back to start. After this chest workout, you need to see this tricep workout. All of my equipment is in the description. They are Amazon affiliate links, so if you use them to make a purchase, I get a small commission at no charge to you. Share this video with your friends and family. Leave a comment, and I'll see you at the next workout.